I'm good, thanks for asking. What about you? I'm from Odisha. What about you? I don't do anything. What about you? Okay. And which department are you doing job? IT sector. Still are you in on your bed? Yeah, your OS is such type of who are on the bed they talk like your sound. Yeah. Right now I am talking with you. No, I am not a working person. I am not a student. Yeah. Then what time do you go your office? 9 and 9:30. Okay. How long have you been working in there? 2 years. You are working in Delhi, but you are from UP, right? Okay. Then do you prepare food or do you take food out in outside? Okay. Then how far from your office to your room? Okay, nearest 2 kilometers, right? Okay, and you tell what brings you here? What brings you here? Okay, but I think your English is good. And do you talk with your boss, your colleagues at office in English? Okay, but you just interact with people here, right? Okay, yeah, because of I want to enhance my spoken English. That's why I'm here. Yeah, of course, definitely. You guess above. Go ahead. Above, above. Add one. One. Yep. Yes. Thank you. Yep. Yeah. Then once again, why are you using? Right. Next question. No, no, no. Your question I'm asking, and you asked me question. Why are you using this platform? Right. That is your question. I am telling. Right. I I told you I want to enhance my spoken English. That's why I'm using. Then you tell. How long have you been using this platform? 10 days. Okay. Then what time do you come back from your office? What time do you come back from your office? Okay. Sometime if you finish your work on time, then you left office 7 p.m. Otherwise 8 p.m. Right? According to your work, you stay in office. Yeah, absolutely right. Have you visited whole Delhi? Okay. Then no, no, no. I never ever been Delhi. I think that is my dream. Yeah. Right now I'm just sitting on my bed. I'm talking with you. That's it. Yeah. I know Hindi. I know Hindi, but I cannot speak fluently like you. I can read, right? I spoke when I was studying. I spoke with my friend, but right now, sometime I interact with Hindi who are native speaker in Hindi. Then I never talk regularly Hindi. That's why I make mistake right now. I can understand you speak in Hindi. I reply in English. अभी तो कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ बैठ के बात कर रही हूँ या I know but mistake sometime I make mistake gender and tenses little bit make mistake yeah uh, and how many languages do you know? Okay, both languages, right? But you speak English at office and outside in office you speak in Hindi, right? Okay. Are you staying? Yep. Are you staying alone or what? Okay. Your company provide accommodation, everything? Your department. Pardon? No. Only salary, right? Okay. Then do what's your qualification? What is your branch name? Mechanical. Then did you get the job in campus selection or did you appear in normal interview? I think around 22 or 23 maybe. Or okay, that means right now I think you get job early, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Then what type of competitive exam are you preparing? UPSC. Oh my goodness. Then still are you preparing? Okay. Okay. Then did you appear for one attempt or two attempt? One out of ten. Why you don't try to next time? The state exam. State exam. Have you appeared state exam? Okay, you only appeared UPSC, right? Now I guess I think you told above 26 means 27. Okay, but you look like 22, 23, that type of. Yep. No, no, but your voice means sounds that type of. I think so. I cannot identify anyone this type of people. They identify while talking, but I cannot identify. But you look like so young, 22, 21, this type of. Yeah. Then what time do you take your breakfast? What time do you wake up right now around 9 p.m., 9 a.m., sorry? Hmm? Mm-hmm. Is today holiday? Is today holiday? Okay, 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 okay. You want to take leave today, right? Okay, okay. That's why right now you are on the bed and you want to wake up late and you want to do your daily routine late, right? You enjoy your life today. What about me? Means I also am here. Then what I will do? Tell me. I'm talking with you. Yeah.